You can easily change which day you would like a particular autoresponder message to go out, and there's a couple of ways that you can do it. You can do it in the calendar view for the autoresponders for the particular list, and you can see probably the simplest way is just to drag and drop it from day 5 to day 6, for example. So now that this message that you did previously have set up to send on day 5 can now send on day 6. Additionally, you could actually edit the autoresponder settings specifically. So let's say you want to change this day again here for this message. You could just simply choose from the Actions menu, Edit, and it opens up the more details, autoresponder details for this message, and we can just change it ourselves here from 6 to 7, and then save and publish. And then we'll see when it loads back on our Manage Calendar View page, it's now on day 7. And additionally, maybe you don't like to work in the calendar view or you prefer to work in the list view. You can see that you can view in the list here again, editing the message that you have given for the given day that you would like to be able to do it. Or you can click within the day indicated here and change it, for example, to day 9. So there's lots of ways you can do it, whether you're going to do it the calendar view or the list view, but it's very simple by editing it and editing the autoresponder settings, or just simply manually changing it yourself in the cycle day indicator here by deleting what's there and adding the new one, or in the calendar, drag and drop to a different day or edit the settings as well. So it's super simple.